Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a last minute no foundation makeup look. So this is the look that I literally wear every single day. So my no makeup look that I had did a few videos back, I do that when I have about 10 to 15 minutes to spare and I can actually, do my makeup. But this look right here, I do if I have like 5 minutes. It's super quick, super easy. Okay. 5 to 7, something along those lines. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Nicolette. I make weekly videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave and give the video a big thumbs up if you like what you see. As always, my social media links are always down below for you guys, and we're just gonna jump right on into it. So normally, like I said, this would take me 5 to 7 minutes, but since I'm gonna be doing a talk through, it's obviously gonna take a little bit longer. But if you don't have that much time to get ready, but you still wanna put something on your face, this look right here is for you. So we're gonna start off with moisturizing our lips because that is super duper importante. Okay, first I'm gonna start off with the moisturizing, and I love the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I'm not sure if this is the actual moisturizer by this brand. I mean, I couldn't find anything else that said moisturizer on it. This right here, okay, as you guys know, I'm super late on trends, but I feel like this totally changed my skincare game. Like, you guys have been complimenting my skin on how it looks so clear, and I'm telling you, I really do think that this is it. Like, I think this is the game changer right here. I just took, I would say dime size, but it was not a dime size, it was more than that. So we are just moisturizing the skin. I highly recommend keeping your skin nice and moisturized throughout the day. I mean, especially for those that don't like to use primer, I suggest using a moisturizer just so you still do have that barrier between the makeup and your skin, so you're not breaking out as much. Speaking of breakouts, don't mind these unwanted things on my face. Aunt Flo is in town, and you guys know how that goes. So also, if you can see, don't mind this bruise that I have right here. Do you guys see that? Don't mind that. My child decided that it was best to throw my heel at me. So, I mean, it's fine. Everything's fine. We're all fine, right? We're fine. All right. This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in Brunette. This is lighter than my hair, but when I went shopping, they didn't have espresso, what I normally get it in, but I'm actually really liking it. Obviously, you don't have a lot of time to get ready, right? That's why these are good, because you're literally just going to brush up your hairs like this. You're just gonna brush it, and then all you're gonna do is just fill in the sparse areas. Well, I am in the process of growing out my brows, and it's just, we're just not gonna talk about it. So what I like to hold my mirror down here. I don't know, I see things better, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna flick up these brow hairs right here just to make it look a bit more natural. Brush through it and move on. Literally using a light hand, and like I said, you're literally just filling in the sparse areas. If you can hear everyone in the back, the bathroom is right across. If you guys saw my house tour, you would know that. The bathroom is right across, and we're currently in the process of potty training Lola. So there's just a big party over there in the bathroom. Now I'm just gonna come under here, under my brow shape, my natural brow shape, and just kind of outline it. And like I said, we're just gonna keep going on through until what you think is good for you. But when I do this, like I said, I don't fill them in too much, just because I would hate to have strong brows and nothing else on my face, you know what I mean? So now, like I said, we're not going to be using any foundation. We're just going to be using some concealer and powder. All this shit on my desk. Okay, so lately I've really been loving the NYX Wonder Stick. This one is in Deep WS03. First, I'm going to be covering up the blemishes that I do have on my face. I'm going to be using the NYX HD Concealer in Medium. We're going to dot that all over. I'm using Medium just because it's closer to my skin tone. You guys use whatever you think is best for your skin tone, whatever you think is closest to your skin tone. And then I'm also going to come right here, just because it is a bit lighter. I'm gonna come over my scars that I have on my face, come down here, right there, and then I'm just gonna dot a few on my eyelid. On this, I have to be a bit careful when blending just because of that bruise. I have kids, they said. So now I'm gonna take the NYX Wonder Stick. Like I said, this is in Deep WS03, and I'm just gonna come right here, right under the eyes, and we're literally just concealing as if we would and during our normal makeup routine. Come right here. We're gonna come right down the nose and just literally the tiniest bit right here. Nothing too much. This part, I mean, literally you do not have to do, but I am red right here, as you guys can see. So I'm just gonna take the NYX HD Concealer in Glow, if it'll open, and I'm just gonna come right here on top of my redness just to help calm that down, because it's a little extra right now. But like I said, it's completely optional. You do not have to do that. And then we're just gonna blend that out. You can totally use a beauty sponge if you would like, but whenever I do this look, I like to actually use brushes. I mean, as you guys know, the point of a beauty blender, beauty sponge is to soak up extra product, but I don't want that with this look. That's why I like to use brushes. But you know, you use whatever you like, you use whatever you think is best. I like blending it all in like that is because, as you guys saw, I am using different colors. So when I blend it, you know, down towards the other colors, or just when I blend it, you know, together in general, it helps everything look as one. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense. It makes sense in my head, but once all of that is blended out, hold on, I need to tap this out a little bit more. Hold on friends, hold on now. So this is where your powder comes in. You use whatever powder works best for you. If you are oily, I used to love the, what is it? The Rimmel Stay Matte powder. That's a really good one. And then, as you guys know, I also really love my MAC Studio Fix powder. But today, I'm actually going to, if I can find it. You guys, I'm literally missing my Wet n Wild powder. Oh. Found it. I have been loving the Wet n Wild pressed powder. This one is in Golden Tan. So, highly recommend these two. This is the MAC Studio Fix in C5. Y'all know this is my tried and true. This is my baby. So for today, since I've been loving this one, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Golden Tan pressed powder. Literally, we're just gonna dip that in there and press it onto the face versus sweeping it. We don't wanna move around the product that we already have on there. That is why we are pressing everything in there. Now, normally in my normal makeup routine, I would get a translucent powder, or even, you guys have been on my channel for a while, you guys would know I used to love the NYX HD powder. I would go in with something lighter right there, not for this look. We are literally just setting our entire face with one powder. It's just so much easier and convenient when you're just setting everything with one powder, you know? So now that our entire face is set, we're gonna move on into bronzer. Now you use whatever bronzer you would like. If I still had my Benefit Hoola, I would be using that. Actually, we're gonna do highlight first, just because that's what I do. So to highlight, I have literally been loving the Carli Bybel second highlight. This is in her original palette, not the deluxe palette. But when this palette first came out, I was in love with it. And then, you know, when your makeup collection grows, you kind of just, you know, dabble into other products. But I've recently fallen back in love with this. So now, if you have a liquid highlighter and you guys want to use that, I suggest using that before you set your face. This is a Morphe M510, literally life-changing. This one or the Morphe M501, favorite highlighting brushes. So we're gonna dip that in there, and we are literally just gonna come right here. We're gonna come on the highest points of our face. Literally, you guys, this highlight is bomb. So like I said, I stopped putting highlight up here just because I do have a lot of texture up here, and like when I highlight it, it like sticks to it, you know what I mean? When it comes to this look, I love looking super glowy. And I think that's another great thing about this look too, is that it's supposed to make your face look like you're not wearing any makeup, but also have that healthy glow, you know what I mean? It makes your skin look super duper healthy. So I don't even know if I said healthy. So I'm gonna come right here, bridge of my nose, and then with my finger, I'm gonna come right here. The reason I like doing my highlighter before my bronzer now is because I feel like it just makes everything blend in a little bit better. All right, for bronzer, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. bronzer palette. And you guys use whatever bronzer you want to use, but I feel like this right here, this is the key to this look. Whatever this is the key to it. This is the Morphe M527. Literally, you guys, when it comes to this type of look, especially even when you're doing this makeup, it makes everything 10 times easier. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dabble right up in there, brush excess off. Now, since you aren't doing anything too precise, that's what makes this brush that much better. It gets the product where it needs to be, and then also blends everything out so nicely. I have loved this brush since I got it. And then we're gonna contour the nose. Totally don't have to. If you don't like contouring your nose, this look is gonna be even easier for you. But I have to, you guys. I literally have to. This is my Sigma Exact Blend E32. I do not use this brush for anything else. I only use this to contour my nose. First, we're gonna start up here. I like to start by the brows. Kind of drag that down. And then all you're doing is you're literally just going right down the sides of your nose. This part, completely optional, but lately I've just been like, I've been getting like really red right here, so I do add just a tiny bit of blush, but like I said, completely optional, do not have to do it. I'm using my Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Exposed, another favorite of mine. And this is my Morphe E3. And I'm just gonna brush just a tiny bit right there. I also like to take some blush, like literally just like that, like just, I don't even know how to explain that, but so now we're just going to take a stippling brush and we're going to blend all of that out. This is just my favorite thing to do on a daily basis, just because I don't have too much product on, but I still look somewhat put together, you know what I mean? I don't know, I feel like this step is also very optional. You could totally stop right here, call it a day, just add a lippy and you're good. But I like to add mascara just because I feel like I have brows going on right here, everything else going around the face, and it just looks so dull right here, you know what I mean? And I don't like it, I don't like it. Ah, I'm tugging, that hurt. Quick little side note / question, for those who have lash extensions, please let me know the pros and cons, because oh my goodness, I have just been going back and forth with the thought of like, do I want them, do I not, do I want them? And like, I want them just because, like, although I do love applying fake lashes, there are those days where I'm like, I just don't want to, you know what I mean? So I was like, I'm considering it, you know what I mean? So let me know your thoughts. And surprisingly, on this base, there are a lot of people that do the like lash extensions or whatever. So like I said, let me know the pros and cons. Let me know if you guys like them, what you don't like about them. You know, being a female is just, it's hard, you know? It's so freaking hard. So for literally the longest, I would always go with my MAC Velvet Teddy. You cannot go wrong with MAC Velvet Teddy, like come on. But lately I have been dipping back into NYX Sable. If you guys have been on my channel for since the beginning, y'all know this guy. It's like the perfect like peachy nude. So pretty. Like normally I line my lips, but I nobody got time for that, Gina. Completely unnecessary because they're like the same color. I like to go with the soft matte lip cream in Cairo. Alrighty guys, and that is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it's super quick, super easy. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of this look. That's all I have to say. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.